walk through how to add some stairs going from our second floor to our green roof. And what we mean by this is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select a few of these elements here. The curtain walls on the second floor here. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a temporary height isolate on the walls, and then we'll turn around and look. Got a little bit of an elevation change going from the flooring on the second floor and then going up to the door. That's a pretty big kind of jump. So as far as, going from one elevation heights to another, especially to get to our green roof. So what we might need to do is add a set of stairs. So I'm going to go ahead and move to level 2. And right where we're at here, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the architecture tab. We're going to grab the stair command. I'm going to stay with the monolithic stair. And then with the constraints, we're going to go from level 2 up to the green roof. It's going to give us 2 risers, so just 2 steps. And the width and everything we can kind of set up here a little bit as we kind of go on. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to kind of go move my cursor to the left. And then here's what you're going to see is that there's our 2 stairs that we have going on. I'm going to go ahead and align these. So I'm going to choose the edge of the door here. And then I'll choose the edge of the stairs, and we can go ahead and lock those into place. I'm going to go ahead and select cancel to stop the align command. And then I can also move these stairs. So I'm going to kind of move them where we're right in front of the door. And then the little blue arrows, we can actually extend these to come out to, and I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way across, even though, it's just right in front of the doors. I think it's going to look kind of nice just to have those like that. I'm at the green check mark. You're going to see there's going to add some railings on the ends. I'm actually just going to delete these railings for my choice. If you wish to have them on there, that's fine. I'm just going to kind of change mine, so that way it's just some steps. So if I go back to my 3D view, here's the steps that are being added in. And really that's what we're going is we're just going to add a couple steps to get up. As you come in, you have a couple steps to go down. And that'll be our level 2. Green roof stairs. So I do have some on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and just use the copy command. Maybe just choose, like, let's say this bottom corner. Then when I go up to the next section, I'm just going to place them in that same bottom corner. You can see there's the stairs modeled in. Let's check our 3D view. And there we go. You'll end up having those 2 sets of stairs in there to be able to get you from the second floor up to the green roof area. And then as you come in, you'll come down, and there's just a couple little decorative stairs. If you wanted to put a third set right in the middle, or you leave that area, maybe you'll put something else in that spot, but that'll be what level 2 looks like for having green roof being added in and green roof stairs being included for your elevation changes.